Hey everyone, and welcome! In this video, we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of JupyterX, the all-in-one WordPress theme that supports Elementor, no Elementor Pro needed. If you're new to JupyterX and want to get your website up and running quickly, you're in the right place. We'll walk through activating your license, importing a ready-made website that looks awesome right out of the box, and then tweaking it to make it your own using Elementor and the theme customizer. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to build something amazing. Let's jump in. After installing the theme, the first step is to install and activate its required plugins. You'll see a banner at the top of your website's admin dashboard, which you can use to install and activate JupyterX's required plugins with just one click. Now that the plugins are installed, we can move on to the next step. After installing the required plugins, you'll be automatically directed to the JupyterX dashboard. You can also access the JupyterX dashboard anytime from your WordPress admin area. The next step is to register our theme license by clicking Register License. Now we can activate our JupyterX theme using one of two methods, either with our Envato Market purchase key or with the API key generated in our Artbees account dashboard. When using the Envato Market purchase key method, if the email address you provide isn't registered in the Artbees portal, an Artbees account will be automatically created for you and your license will be added to your account's licenses list. I've already generated an API key in my Artbees account dashboard, which I'm going to use. With the key pasted, I'll submit the license registration. Okay. And now that the JupyterX theme license has been registered, we can access the full potential of JupyterX. Let's head over to the Ready-Made Website section, where we can choose a starting point for our site. The JupyterX library offers more than 450 professionally designed templates for all kinds of business types, niche markets, and creative uses. So there's a good chance you'll find one that fits your vision right out of the box. Now, I'm scrolling through the library to find a template that suits our needs. Once we've found the one we want, we can click Import to view the available import options and start bringing it into our site. I think the data analysis template looks pretty cool, so let's click Import. This brings up the import options. Now we can see the options to choose either the full import or content-only import. Just keep in mind that if you choose the full import option, it will remove the current contents of your website and replace them with the content of the ready-made website you're about to import. So choose this option carefully or use it only on new installations. You can also choose whether or not to import the included media files. I'm going to proceed with the full import option, including the media files. Click Import and let's get this ready-made website up and running. Then I'm going to select Yes for the warning message informing me that the current content of my website will be removed and replaced. Then we wait for the ready-made website to import. Sit back, relax, and let the magic happen. And there we go. We've successfully imported the template. Wasn't that easy? Now that we've imported the template, let's take a look at our freshly imported website by clicking the Visit Site button. All right. The data analysis website is here, looking sharp and ready to go. Okay, let's scroll down the page and see what this ready-made website looks like. As we scroll, you can see all the content that comes with it. Keep in mind, JupyterX also features a powerful layout builder, 100+ widgets, and additional builders like the pop-up builder and form builder, giving you full control over layouts, typography, colors, and global settings without needing extra plugins. This makes customizing your site easier and more flexible than ever. Alright, let's scroll back up to the top. I'm clicking on the Scroll to Top button to get there quickly. And just like that, we're back at the top of the page. Now let's jump into the customization settings. I'll click on Customize to get there. This will allow us to tweak the look and feel of our website. I'm going to click on Logos to access the logo settings. Now, let's click Choose Image to change our website's logo. We can search for the image file we want from the already uploaded files using this search field, or upload a custom logo if we haven't done so already. When uploading a custom logo, it's best to use high-quality image formats like PNG for transparent backgrounds or JPEG for smaller file sizes. You can also upload SVG files if you want your logo to scale perfectly without losing quality. Okay, let's select the Search Media Input field next. I'll type logo in the search field to quickly find the one we're after. Now, I'll select the dark version of the agency media item for our header, which has a light background. Alright, let's pick a light logo. This one looks great as our secondary logo for the footer with the dark background. Now let's scroll down the page and take another look at the footer with the secondary logo we chose applied to it. Let's publish our changes by clicking the Publish button. The button will then change to Published. Okay, let's navigate back to the home page and continue making adjustments and refinements to our site. Let's click Edit with Elementor to jump into the page editor. As you can see, there are multiple widgets we can use in our page building. Let's collapse the available widgets under our website categories and find JupyterX's native and exclusive widgets, which will give you full flexibility to create astonishing pages on your website. JupyterX gives you an advanced, yet easy-to-use toolset for building professional websites. With its robust collection of 100-plus widgets, responsive design controls, and powerful customization options, you can create stunning, unique layouts with ease. Whether it's your first site or your 100th, JupyterX makes website design in WordPress faster, more flexible, and more creative than ever. Alright, it's time to drag the heading element from the Elements panel and drop it right onto the main design area. Let's change the text. I'll type, "This is a heading" in the title input field. Now let's head over to the Style tab in the Edit Heading panel. Next, I'll click the Edit button for the heading's color selector so we can access its options. I'm going to open the color picker for the heading color now. Now, let's pick a color from the color picker. I'm selecting the blue color from the color picker. We can select our desired color by dragging the color selection indicator in the color picker to select a different color for the selected element. Now it's time for styling our heading's typography settings by clicking the Typography Edit icon in the Style panel. We can browse the available font families here. Feel free to try as many fonts as you like. Yep, we can also search for any specific font family. Let's type Playfair in the font family search box to find it. I want to try the Playfair Display font family here. To set the text weight, let's select 400, normal. Feeling like adding more widgets to your page? Great! Let's add more widgets together. Now we have all the elements that we can add to our page. Now I'm going to drag the button widget from the element panel directly onto the main content area. Okay, so let's change that button text. I'm going to type in JupyterX here. JupyterX supports all sorts of dynamic content across your site. Let's have a quick look. Dynamic tags automatically pull and display content from your website, like titles, dates, or custom fields, so the information updates automatically without you editing it manually. As you can see, there are a number of options available. For a simple start, let's select the Site URL option. Alright, let's publish these changes and see what they look like in a new tab. Alright, let's take a quick look around at the widgets we've added. Now, let's click here to head over to the WordPress admin menu. Are you ready to take a quick peek at JupyterX's dashboard and check out some of its important features? Let's go! Time to visit the Layout Builder tab. This innovative design tool transforms the way you create websites with WordPress. The JupyterX Layout Builder is an innovative design tool that transforms the way you create websites with WordPress. Here, we can add our own custom templates, giving us full control and flexibility over our site's structure. From headers and footers to archive pages, single pages, custom search results pages, and more, it works as a versatile template system that lets you customize every element at a granular level. With its flexible template editing, the Layout Builder truly revolutionizes site design and customization. Alright, let's jump in and edit our website's header template. Let's click the Edit button for the header. That will open the Elementor editor. Now scrolling down the element list to reveal more options. Looking for the search form element. There it is. Alright, let's drag it into our header area. Perfect! The search form is now in our header, ready for visitors to use. Okay, let's open the skin drop-down menu here. Now I'll choose the full screen option from the skin drop-down. Time to select the style option for the edit search form. Now I'll click the icon option to change its appearance. I'm choosing a transparent white color from the color picker to help the search form widget background blend more seamlessly. Now let's hit Publish. This will open JupyterX's Display Conditions modal, and from here we can choose the display settings for our header. Let's add a condition selector. We'll talk about display conditions later, but for now, let's just use the simplest option. I want to make this header the main one for my entire website, so I'll select Include Entire Website as its display condition. This will apply our custom header to every page. Okay, let's click Save and close this window. Let's head over to the website and check out our changes. Now that we've added our search form widget to the header, let's check it out. And that's it. You've successfully registered your JupyterX license, imported a stunning ready-made website, and started customizing it to fit your brand. Remember, the JupyterX Help Center offers articles and tutorial videos to quickly help you find answers. You can easily solve your questions about JupyterX or contact ArtBee support directly for personalized assistance. Happy website building!